Good morning, my name is Tina. Welcome to Trendy Gardens. Today we're going to show you how to prune roses. We have mealybug, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray with pyro. Pyro won't work, but pyro does soft and hard body insects. If Warren recommends something else, then I'll use that one. But for mealybug and stuff, you should use a oil-based insecticide because it smothers them. When you're done pruning your roses, you can use a sealer called Steri Seal. You can apply that where you've just cut your roses. You can also use a fertilizer. I normally use 515 from Vigor Rosa. You can also use 815. That will take care of your overall health of the roses. Thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.